Hi guys, I'm Ash from Indo Girl. I love music and love to play different instruments. Those stairs are really long. Anyways, I love to play different instruments. So today I'm going to play 2 Doraemon songs rearranged by me.
Yeehaw!
So I'm crazy about Doraemon since I was only 4. Mostly everyone in my school knows that I'm obsessed with him, even teachers. So not taking too much time, let's begin. चलो डोरेमोन शुरू करते हैं। जिंदगी सवार धुन एक नई बार धुन दुनिया ही बदल तुम्हें तो प्यारा सा चमत्कार हूँ। मैं किसी का सपना हूँ जो आज बन चुका हूँ सच। अब ये मेरा सपना है कि सबके सपने सच में करूँ। आसमां को छू लूँ तितली बन उड़ूँ। Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Ah! Ouch!